Hello, students. Now, today, the chapter what we are going to start, that is, Should Wizard Hit Mommy? What is written by John Updike. First of all, if we talk about the author, so John Updike was an American novelist, poet, short story writer, art critic, and literary critic. He was born on March 18, 1932 in Pennsylvania, United States, and he was died on January 27, 2009 in United States. Now if we talk about this story, so this story exactly is about a girl. The main protagonist of this story is Jo and her father, Jack. The story begins when Jack is telling stories to his 4-year-old daughter, Jo, to put her to sleep on Saturday evenings. जो जो है ये डॉटर है एंड जैक टेल्स द स्टोरीज टू मेक हर स्लीप. जैक जो फादर हैं वो अपनी बेटी को कहानियाँ सुनाते हैं ताकि वो सो जाए आराम से. ऑल दीज स्टोरीज आर मेड अप बाय हिम एंड दीज आर नॉट द स्टोरीज what he has read from somewhere else. Rather, all the stories are created by him only. This started 2 years ago, and this tradition of telling the story, it was started before 2 years. ये 2 साल पहले शुरू हुआ था. Every story is a variation of the same tale, and it starts the same Roser and imaginary animal. And दिस ट्रेडिशन इट वॉज स्टार्टेड बिफोर 2 years. जो ये ट्रेडिशन 2 साल पहले शुरू हुआ था, उसमें एक बात बड़ी कॉमन थी, दैट द नेम ऑफ द मेन कैरेक्टर इन द स्टोरी इट वॉज रोजर एंड इट वॉज एन इमेजनरी एनिमल. ही वुड गो टू द वाइज आउल टू सॉल्व हिज प्रॉब्लम्स एंड दैट रोजर whenever like he always he used to get stuck in a problem, वो हमेशा एक समस्या में फंसता था. एंड देन ही यूज टू गो टू अ वाइज आउल, और फिर वो एक वाइज आउल के पास जाता था. द आउल वुड डायरेक्ट हिम टू द विजार्ड, और जो ये आउल है वो उसको भेजता था फिर एक विजार्ड मतलब जादूगर के पास, हु वुड डू मैजिक एंड सॉल्व हिज प्रॉब्लम्स एंड डिमांड मनी इन रिटर्न. And the wizard, he always used to solve Roser's problem, but in return he always used to demand some money. लेकिन वापस कुछ पैसे मांगता था प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के लिए. Roser would be short of money and would go to a well as directed by wizard and will get the money from there and would pay him off. And ऑलवेज इट यूज टू हैपन कि रोज़र के पास कभी पैसे पूरे नहीं होते थे. एंड देन विजार्ड यूज टू टेल देन गो टू द वेल, उस कुएं के पास जाओ, एंड देयर रोज़र यूज टू गेट मनी एंड देन ही यूज टू पे दैट मनी टू विजार्ड. सो ही वुड बी हैप्पी टू सॉल्व हिज प्रॉब्लम्स एंड वुड प्ले विद हिज फ्रेंड्स हैप्पीली. एंड देन विजार्ड दैट रोज़र यूज टू गेट हैप्पी, and then he used to play with other animals. His father would return on the train and the family would have a delicious dinner. And then what used to happen? Then this that animal's father, he used to come back on a train, and after this they used to have a delicious मतलब बहुत अच्छा सा dinner they used to take and they used to enjoy. That day Joe wants it to be a Roser Shunk story who smells very bad, and that is why no other animal wants to play with him. So one day now that Joe she says to her father that he should be telling the story about that animal who stinks very bad, जिसमें से बहुत गंदी स्मेल आती है. They will tease him saying stinky shunk. and all other animals they used to call him Stinky Shunk. Stinky Shunk means जिसमें से गंदी स्मेल आ रही है बहुत ज़्यादा. Roser would cry at this point. Jo started feeling connected with the character and she also starts crying. And then what happens? Jo, to herself, she connects to the character very much. And then she starts crying. और वो रोना शुरू कर देती है. Jo insists on sending Roser Shunk to the owl. हालांकि जो फिर वो फादर को इंसिस्ट करती है कि इसको आउल के पास भेजो. This reaction of Joe surprises father and he realizes the growing changes in the child. And now, by just this reaction, when Joe is making to her father, now father feels कि अब Joe में changes आ रहे हैं. Finally, the owl directs Joe Shunk to Wizard, and he gets the smell of roses. And then what happens? Because no other animal plays with Joe, with Shunk, क्योंकि कोई दूसरा जानवर इस शंख के साथ खेलता नहीं है. Then what happens? This Shunk was directed by owl कि आप जाओ wizard के पास. And when he goes to the wizard, then wizard changes his smell. Wizard उसकी smell को change कर देता है roses की smell में. And after that, Shunk is too happy and runs into the wood. All animals gather around Shunk and they all play games. And when Roser Shunk was smelling very nicely with the roses, then all the animals they start playing with him. When Shunk reaches home, his mother is annoyed and doesn't like that smell. But when Roser Shunk goes to his home, his mother doesn't like that smell. मदर को वो स्मेल पसंद नहीं आती. She takes him back to the wizard and hits him on the head and orders him to restore Shunk's earlier smell. And then mother वापस लेके जाती हैं. She takes that Roser Shunk again to the wizard and ask wizard to change the smell as Roser Shunk used to smell earlier. कि उसको वैसे ही वापस कर दो जैसे वो पहले था. After this, Joe doesn't like this. But the end of this story, it was not liked by Joe. Joe उसको पसंद नहीं करती. She is angry at the behavior of Roser mother. उसको रोजर की मॉम के इस बिहेव पर गुस्सा भी आता है. She wants the wizard to hit Roser's mommy. And then she wants that this wizard should hit mommy. But father disagrees and defends Shunk's mom, saying mother are always right. लेकिन जो फादर हैं वो मदर के बिहेवियर को ठीक बताते हैं. But Joe, she is adamant and angry. But Joe उसी बात पर अड़ी हुई है. Joe argues with her father, but father exerts his authority as the storyteller and doesn't change it. But then he says, whose story is this? Father says, this is father's story. So, as he wants, the story should go the same way. जैसे पापा चाहते हैं स्टोरी वैसे चलेगी. So finally, Roser Shunk comes back home with his mommy and gradually other animals also get used to his smell and starts playing with him. And then what happens? After a few days, that other animals also, उनको भी आदत पड़ जाती है रोज़र की उसी स्मेल की. एंड देन वो भी उसके साथ में खेलना फिर वापस से शुरू कर देते हैं. जो disagrees that this can happen and refuses to sleep. लेकिन वो सोने से मना कर देती है. and she does not accept the end of the story. She wants another story in which mommy is hit. And then she wants कोई दूसरी स्टोरी होनी चाहिए जिसमें mommy should be hit. But Jack refuses and confronts Joe and threatens and orders her to sleep. But जो father हैं, then he says, no, now I will not tell you any other story and now you should sleep. He is in a dilemma. हालांकि वो बेचारा दुखी भी है because he knows that his pregnant wife is working downstairs all alone and he must help her. And he is sad. वो थोड़ा दुखी इसलिए भी है क्योंकि जो उसकी वाइफ है, she is pregnant and she is working alone downstairs. और वो नीचे अकेली काम कर रही है बेचारी. He feels trapped and uneasy, caught in a difficult situation. और वो अपने आप को बड़ा अनईजी महसूस करता है. And he feels uneasy because he is not being able to help his wife. And he is caught in that situation. क्योंकि अब उसको बेटी को अपनी कहानी सुनानी थी. So that's why. So what's the moral exactly of the story? The moral exactly of the story is that whatever the quality exactly a person is having, we should accept him with that qualities or disqualities. We should accept the vice and virtues of a person as he is. We should not change and then we should like. हमें किसी को बदल करके पसंद नहीं करना चाहिए. व्यक्ति जैसा है हमें वैसा ही उसको पसंद करना चाहिए. So this is the moral of the story. Now you better, once again all of you go through the chapter, you will understand in a better way. Thank you. Have a nice time.